problems ko the first few months. Paano to? How did they go about it? And how can I, in this day and age, try to make these processes better? So, yun yung parang workflow ko.
So, Mayor, as a young local chief executive, what is your vision ang Palumpon in the next 3 years? If we visit again after 2028, ano na yung Palumpon?
So when I first when I really signed my name for sa anong tawag nito, certificate of candidacy, that's what I asked to myself, wondering na what can I do to make Palumpon better, because what I have seen is maganda naman yung Palumpon. We have Kalangaman,
yes.
And then yung mga establishments are already here, infra is already here. So what can I do to make it better? Because if I don't know the answer, might as well I will not run. Diba?
Yes,
What's the point of running? What's the point of sitting here for 3 years if I cannot make my town better? So yung nakita ko is we lack maybe we lack maybe the link between the government and the youth.
You listen, we talk, let the message flow.